Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In 2021, cryptographic money brokers especially adored the Uniswap (UNI) coin, which saw critical benefits all through its concise presence. Notwithstanding American Samoa 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade (DEX) token generally saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a huge achievement in May 2022. Genuinely complete exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the troubling presentation of its local coin, which is genuinely critical. What future possibilities might we at any point anticipate for UNI? Go along with us beneath as we analyze the cost expectation for the UNI exceptionally token over the course of the following couple of years if you in a real sense have any desire to keep awake to date on every one of the latest measurements and projections for this suddenly famous digital currency. What is Uniswap, UNI, or so they sort of thought? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true especially send-off. The stage, a decentralized application, DApp, based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the transformation of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to energize them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet truly are the essential drivers. The clients likewise have genuinely unlimited authority over their confidential keys. The Uniswap's connection point was less complex to use than those of the other DESs. Hence, it basically is just a robotized market producer utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with commonly smooth and straightforward exchange along these lines. The AMM, automated market maker, component generally is the groundwork of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is delivered. A commission of 0.3% really is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's hold account. Each commission in every way that really matters, is paid out to UNI holders at a pace of 0.05%, with the leftover 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. In spite of the fact that Uniswap isn't the principal venture to utilize AMM, it did extraordinarily advance this line of exploration, which prompted the rise of extra conventions with a comparable construction. Uniswap, UNI Fundamental Analysis. Hayden Adams laid out the decentralized trade Uniswap in November 2018 in a significant way. Two truly savvy gets that are housed on the Ethereum blockchain in addition to a public, open-source front-end client make up the convention. It is a completely on-chain market producer that empowers the change of ETH to ERC20 tokens as well as the other way around incredibly. Then again, on the off chance that UNI doesn't zero in on unambiguous headways, the cost could decline, which is very critical. All things considered, in the event that the computerized resource doesn't in every practical sense, answer market sentiments, we might expect normal significant levels. Uniswap, UNI, Technical Analysis. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been illustrative, similar as the entire cryptographic money market. Considering that Uniswap is delivering the third variant, the rate rise really is expected. Uniswap v3, amazingly. The people that deal with the Uniswap specialized investigation through the TradingView stage most certainly accept that UNI token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this mid-year, in spite of prevalent thinking. They guarantee that financial backers currently get a 3x benefit. Exceptionally bullish, then. Uniswap, UNI, current price in a sort of huge way. Uniswap truly is presently worth $6.85. UNI has sort of moved 2.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $135,167,130. Uniswap is right now position 1,317 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,396,599,441 US. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2022. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. UNI. The UNI cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's truly final part, potentially coming to $10.28. Likewise with genuinely other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $9.59 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions amazingly. UNI is supposed to have a base worth of $8.22. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Uniswap UNI cost expectation for the most part has essentially much space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of UNI will before long outperform $17.13. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the UNI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, UNI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.70 and a very normal exchanging cost of $15.07. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $23.98 and UNI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. UNI sort of is supposed to exchange at a genuinely normal cost of $21.93 and a low of $20.56 in 2024, which is genuinely critical. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Uniswap effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the UNI coin cost could stay stable for the especially next 5 years. As per our projections, UNI will be green in 2025 amazingly. The UNI is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking certainly high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be really worth $30.83, with a base cost of $27.41 and a for the most part normal cost of $28.78. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the UNI cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $35.63 by 2026, with a kind of least cost of $34.26 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, UNI all things considered, has a greatest value worth of $37.